between the end of the year, the new year. It is always more introspective, more, I don't know how to say, to look inside myself and clean all the past, all the past year. And I do this on regular basis every year. And so I never know what happened the next year. And usually also, if I have any plan or expectation, I clean. I clean very, very. I don't want to have anything about that. I don't want really, really. So that's it's amazing. So in this way, every year is different, and that's at the end of the year. Sometimes I don't know if you say the knots come to the comb. All the problems arrive at the end. So it is in this moment for me. It is a moment to clean a lot in with myself and also the relationship. So I'm very busy to clean in this end of the year. I'm sorry.
Beautiful. Thank you, everybody. So different, yeah. We have so many cultures, so many countries. Wow. Okay, let's just kind of jump in. This is good.